So I want you to think about it this way. Our audience right now, there's two things that we got to think about: management and intervention. Management, you know what? Management plans are written for adults. Management plans of what we're going to say, what we're going to do, where we're going to stand, how we're going to say it, how many times we're going to do something or whatever. That's a little more reactive. Intervention plans, on the other hand, are for kids. That's how we're going to respond to your challenge area. I'm going to look deeper into it. I know I'm beating that one up, but it's so important to me, and I'm just so passionate about it because it's helped me to go to the grocery store and look at the person who's standing in the 15 or less items, and they've got 45 items in their grocery cart, and I'm like, what is wrong with them? Are they rude? Maybe. That could be. But instead, I go, did they miss the math lesson? Did they not see the sign? Are they not socially aware? Have you noticed lately that kids don't know how to read the room? Yeah, that's called an executive functioning. That's visual spatial skills. That's what we call it. They can't read the room. They walk in, just start talking right out loud while you're in the middle of a meeting. How many adults can't read the room? If you ever had somebody said, Q, can I ask you a question real quick? And you say, no, not right now, I'm busy. And they ask you the question anyway and walk down the hall and follow you while they're talking to you, they can't read the room. Those are the simple things that are getting in the way of the hard stuff that we want to do.